welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide all the subscription offers from your OnlyFans account. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. Right here, just below my profile button, you can see this button called as More. Click on it. Once you guys have done that, simply focus on the gear-like button right here, that is settings. Click on it. Now guys, this is it. This is the settings page. Initially, you will be in the profile section. But right now what you need to do is simply scroll down just below account, that is privacy and safety. Click on it. Now guys, this is it. From here, you can simply hide your activity status, and right here what you guys need to do is simply focus on this thing called as show subscription offers. I'm simply gonna toggle off the button corresponding to it, and guys, that is it. Once you've done that, it's gonna hide all the subscription offers from your OnlyFans account. Well guys, that is it. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We will be updating videos like this pretty soon. So until next time, thank you.